Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to complete the calendar for the given month, and also we are going to find out answers for the few questions given. So the first question is complete the calendar for August 2020. So here they have given the calendar for August 2020. They have filled in few dates, okay, corresponding to the days. So we have to fill in the remaining dates. Okay, now let us fill all the dates starting from 1. See, 1 starts on Saturday. August 1 starts on Saturday. They have filled it for us. So now we'll write the remaining thing. So August 2 is on Sunday. 3 they have written. So we'll continuously write 4, 5, 6 they have written. So 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is again on Saturday. Then 16, 17, 18 they have written for us. Then 19, 20, 21, 22. So again 23 is on Sunday. 24 they have written. So next will be 25, 26, 27, 28. 29 is on Saturday, but we have 30 here and then 31 on Monday. So this is the way we have to fill the dates on the given calendar. The next question given is color all the Sundays in red. So if you look into the calendar, you will be seeing, right? So all the Sundays will be given in red color. That indicates holiday, right? So here also we'll mark all the Sundays in red. So the 30, it's on Sunday. Then 2 is on Sunday. 9 is on Sunday. 16 is on Sunday. And 23 is on Sunday. So all the Sundays we are marked in red color. Next question, on which day does this month end? So here if you look into the calendar, this month starts on day 1 and it goes on like this 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and then here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then it again comes here 17, 18, 22. Then again it comes here 24, 28, 29. It doesn't end here. It's again continuing here, right? 30 and 31. So 31 is the last day in the month of August. So that is ends on Monday. So 31st is the last day of this month August and it falls on Monday. So next question is write the number of days in this month. So we know that this is the calendar for the month of August and August will have 31 days. Also if you look into the calendar, they have given the last day as 31. So there are 31 days in this month. Okay. So next question, what day is it on 13th August? So if you look into the calendar, you want to find where 13th is there. So it's 2, 3, 6 and here it is 13. So 13th of August is on Thursday. Here 13 is here. So you look into the corresponding day here. So it is Thursday. So 13th of August is on Thursday. Next question. What is the date on second Saturday? Second Saturday means second week Saturday. So first week, the day 1 starts on Saturday. Okay, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this 8 is on the second Saturday. First Saturday is 1. So the date 8 is on second Saturday. So we can say second Saturday is on 8th of August. Next question is the 21st is Sunday. So they are asking the date 21 is on Sunday. So now if you look into the calendar where you are seeing 8/21, you are seeing 21 here. So the day corresponding to 21 is Friday. So our question is 21st as Sunday? No, 21st is not Sunday. 21st is on Friday. Okay. Next question, what is the day on 29th? What will be the date on the same day next week? Okay, so now we have to see 29. So if you look 29, it is here. So if the corresponding day for 29 is Saturday. So 29th is on Saturday. Next question, what will be the date on the same day next week, they have asked. So next week it's not here. So we are going here Sunday 30, Monday 31, Tuesday 1. So it goes to the next month. So next month after August is September. So here September 1, September 2, September 3, September 4, September 5. Okay. So September 5th. Next week, the same day is on September 5th. Next question, how many Thursdays are there in this month? So now you have to move to Thursday. Here it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now let us count how many days. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 Thursdays in this month. Now next question is find out which months in the calendar 2020 have 5 Sundays. So you want to find out all the months which has 5 Sundays. So here is the calendar for the year 2020. Now let us see on all Sundays on all the months which should have 5 Sundays. So this is January month. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 Sunday because Sunday will be in red color. So we can easily identify. Next is February month which has 1, 2, 3, 4 Sundays. Next is March, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sundays. So our question is 5 Sundays. So March has 5 Sunday. Then April 1, 2, 3, 4 Sunday. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sunday. So March, May, and then June has 4 Sunday. July has 4 Sunday. August 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sunday. So August has 5 Sunday. Then September 1, 2, 3, 4 Sunday. October 4 Sunday. Then November 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Sundays. December 4 Sundays. So if you look into the calendar, the months March, May, August and November have 5 Sundays. Next question, is there any other day in any month which comes 5 times? So they are asking any other day in any month comes 5 times. Yes, right? So most of the days will be repeated 5 times in a month. So if you look into the calendar for January month, Wednesday is repeated 5 times, Thursday is repeated 5 times and Friday is repeated 5 times. Then if you see the calendar of February, then Saturday is 5 times. Then March you have Sunday, Monday and Tuesday 5 times. Then for the month of April you have Wednesday and Thursday 5 times. So same way May has Friday and Saturday, June has Monday and Tuesday, July Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is repeated 5 times. August Sunday and Monday, September Tuesday and Wednesday, October Thursday, Friday and Saturday, November Sunday and Monday, December Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So therefore we can say that each month has few 5 days. Next question is, can there be 6 Sundays in a month? Why? So there cannot be 6 Sundays in a month, right? Because there are maximum of only 5 days in a month. So not even in a single month we'll have 6 days. Not only on Sunday, no days will be there in a 6 days in a month. Hope you have understood how to fill the given calendar and also to find the answers for the given question from the calendar. Thank you for watching the video.